Today I'm going to change the shower knobs on my shower because they were starting to leak. All the YouTube videos I've seen tell you to demonstrate on how to replace it with this type of cartridge, and this is pretty much standard, but there are others like mine which I found. So if you do come across it, the difference is when you remove this cartridge, you remove the entire cartridge with usually like a cowbell thing over here, and this thing goes insert there, and you remove this whole thing from the piping that's in the wall. But the cartridge that I have is an American Standard cartridge, and this threaded part stays fixed to the main piping. So you do not remove this part as you would think you would have to do with these type of cartridges. That threaded part stays in there, so do not try to remove it with your channel locks or your pliers or something like that. And you don't even need a cowbell. What you have to replace is this small cartridge over there, which is this cartridge over here. This is an American Standard. The product number is S-211-3NL2453. And again, it's just a cartridge that you're removing. What you do is you remove the cartridge, not the threaded tube that goes into the wall. It seems stuck. That's because there's a like a washer gasket type of hard plastic or rubber that's connected to the whole cartridge. The old one is stuck inside there. I changed the other one already, and what happens is this house was built in '84, so these pictures are from the mid '80s, and because of its age, when you pull it out, okay, this one came out, but on this other knob over here, this rubber gasket actually got stuck inside of that thing. So what I had to do was pull it out with your needle nose pliers. So you kind of fiddle with it with your screwdriver, but be careful because you don't want to damage the threads in there, and pull that gasket out. And this is what it looks like. This is the old one. So now the old one is removed, and we're just going to replace it with the brand new one over here. So you want to have the thing in the open position rather than fully closed, and just screw it in, and reverse everything that you did, tie it up with your crescent wrench, and then reassemble everything that you need. But I just wanted to demonstrate that when you open it up, you're going to be surprised to find that it's not the standard thing over here, and you're going to wonder, do you take off the threaded part, the pipe that goes in there, or what? So I just wanted to show you guys out there the problem I had, and maybe this will help some guys in the future that have the same type of pictures that I have. Alright, thanks.